Little update on our sawmill process. We got some black ash that we slabbed into pieces today. They're I guess they're about 1.5 to 2 inches thick, so they're actually like super nice looking. So those are live edge, so you have to let those dry. And got another piece. So got this piece of black ash. It's probably 10 inches across. So we've already taken the top piece off with the rail, and we're just gonna slab that down and make some pieces. Let the saw cool down for a minute or so. We'll keep slapping that and see how long it takes. we cut up that black ash. We had 2 pieces that are probably 10-11 inches in diameter and 4 feet long. So we got, I guess, four pieces out of the one and 5 out of the other one. And we cut this down early in the fall last year, and we just decided to mill it up today. So even though it's been lying on the ground, it's still completely wet inside, so it's gonna have to dry for probably a good year and a half. So I mean, as you can see, it's how wet it is, but I mean, the grain looks amazing inside. So we'll let that dry, and we'll do some kind of good, cool project with that. So I mean, we're happy with the CS590 Timberwolf. We're probably so happy right now we're considering the 7310, which is the 73cc. So we've been kind of admiring that at the local dealer. So we'll see what happens. Maybe that's in our future plans for sawmilling. Anyway, we'll see you on the next video.